pours, and my word, has it poured across some parts of the British Isles. We're not alone. It's done the same thing on the near continent too. More on that in just a second. But notice how these very vivid colours here indicative of those really heavy downpours have filtered their way north, to the extent that the Met Office have got severe weather warnings out across the north of England for about another hour, but ongoing through the night across Scotland into the first part of Thursday. Certainly for central, southern and eastern parts we could see well in excess of 2 inches of rain. Elsewhere, something a little bit quieter, a little bit of breeze around, quite a bit of cloud, not a cold night by any means at all. So let's see how we start off things in the first part of Thursday. Quite a lot of cloud across Northern Ireland, bits and pieces of rain. The bulk of the rain at this stage across Scotland will be found across the far north, or indeed across the central belt and down towards the central southern areas here, across the southern uplands. Some sharp showers there across the border in the northeast of England at this stage in proceedings. And then as we come further south, we rather forget about the intensity of rainfall, and it's more about the strength of the wind. Getting on towards gale force through the Channel, we'll speak more about this in just a second, but you'll see that there are indeed a scattering of showers to be had here, 1 or 2 of these on the sharp side, but not with the intensity I would have thought that we've seen today. And there's that mix again of showery activity across the heart of Wales. Very little in the way of sunshine. Now, it's very unsettled because the low pressure that's been around for a couple of days is there close by to us. Another feature working its way towards the southwest, and ahead of that, notice the number of isobars on the chart. As I say, a very windy day for the time of year. 50-mile-an-hour gusts, quite possible through the English Channel coastal fringes, and that will make for some rough, if not very rough, conditions. If I were travelling tomorrow, particularly on the fast surfaces, I'd probably check with my operator just to see how they're faring. So this is the way that things shape up. The rain's still there, but gradually drifting a little bit further north in Scotland. Another tongue of it getting very close to St Andrews, you'll notice. And here comes that second feature, away down towards the southwest in the latter part of the day. Heavy downpours here, and in between a scattering of showers, perhaps tending to fade later in the day. And then the journey begins with this feature driving its way right across much of England and Wales. Again, heavy downpours here, another finger of it working its way towards the southeast, more across Northern Ireland to the start of Friday. Torrential downpours here again for a time. So very unsettled on Friday, a lot going on. If you want more detail, it's there for you.